Hello, I am Bharti Singh Chauhan, founder and director of Praveen Lata Sansthan Foundation, a grassroots non-profit dedicated to empowering marginalized communities across India. Through our flagship initiative, Titlam Women Entrepreneurship Project, we help young girls and rural women become skilled, confident, and self-reliant by equipping them with livelihood skills and handholding support to start their own enterprise. Our work directly supports UN SDG goal number 1, no poverty, number 4, promoting quality education, number 5, gender equality, number 8, decent work and economic growth, and number 17, partnership for the goals. As per periodic labor force survey, only 18.6% of working age women in India participate in the labor force, which is 3 times lower than men. According to the World Bank, Indian women's participation in the formal economy is amongst the lowest in the world. That means only 7 out of 100 women entrepreneurs in India are women, and the major reasons includes girls drop out of school due to poverty, early marriage and lack of opportunity. These young women often have natural talents in fashion, crafts, farming and various diversified fields, but no pathway to transform these into sustainable livelihoods. They face challenges such as poor digital and financial literacy, lack of mobility, minimal access to mentorship or funding, and low confidence. Our program does not just train women, we guide, mentor, and support them to start or grow their micro enterprises right from their homes. Many later become trainers and community mentors themselves, creating a cycle of empowerment in diversified fields like textile, beauty, farming, animal husbandry, crafting, etc. Our initiative is incubated and mentored by prestigious platforms like Niti Aayog's Women Entrepreneurship Platform, Atal Incubation Center Vanasthali, All India Art and Craft Association. Our model has proven to be the cost-effective, replicable and deeply rooted in community participation. By 2030, we aim to scale our program especially from tribal and backward caste communities with a special focus on low literacy regions. This is not just about skill building, it's about creating dignified, sustainable livelihoods by building women-led rural economies. We believe that every woman deserves a chance to dream, earn and lead, not just survive. Our project gives wings to their dreams and turns them into community change makers, economically independent, confident and respected. We invite CSR partners, donors, philanthropists and ecosystem enablers to join hands with us. With your support, we can build a self-sustaining network of women-led micro enterprises rooted in tradition, powered by skill, and designed for impact. Together, let's empower thousands of women to rewrite their futures with skills, dignity, and hope.